Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can sell any item on Cashify in your this smartphone. In your any smartphone, first you have to open your Cashify. So in this application you can buy or sell anything. Here it is sell, so you can choose anything. So these you can just find a new phone. You can search the model here, 16 plus. So you can see here it is showing iPhone 16 plus. Let's see this rate. So here you can get starting prices 16 2000 something, and buyback value is 24,000. Get exact value, sell now. Here it is get cash up to for Infinix this. So that's how you can just sell it. You can see buy new mobile phone, sell old mobile phone. So simply you can just search by price, also search by price list. Here it is all these things. You can sell anything in this. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.